It's not just red. It's fire. It's focus. It's 450cc of raw, unfiltered energy. Born in Austria. Refined in the dirt. Unleashed in 2025. This is the GASGAS MC 450F. And no, this isn't just another year, another update. This is the most complete version of the MC 450F ever made. And in a world where milliseconds separate champions from chasers, GASGAS isn't here to follow. It's here to rewrite the rhythm. But stick around because there's a feature hidden under the seat that isn't just unexpected. It's the kind of thing that could change how you ride entirely. Eesh. Engine power delivery. At the soul of the MC 450F beats a 449.9cc SOHC 4-stroke single, purpose-built for brutal starts, surgical control, and explosive mid-range torque. This engine is shared in structure with its KTM and Husqvarna cousins. But how it feels on this bike, that's what sets it apart. Thanks to new 2025 ECU maps and improved air intake flow, the MC 450F now delivers smoother torque down low, a broader power band in the mid-range, and cleaner over-rev at the top. Throttle response is ultra-crisp, yet surprisingly manageable, even for intermediate riders stepping up to 450S for the first time. The engine internals? Titanium valves, forged piston, CNC machined components. This isn't some detuned workhorse. It's a full factory-bred race motor in every way. The real surprise? Despite all this performance, GASGAS keeps the MC 450F accessible. The delivery isn't jerky or punishing. It's linear, predictable, rideable, and in a class where taming power matters more than making it, that's gold. The chassis? Stiffness, flex balance. Now, let's talk about the part most riders underestimate. The chassis. For 2025, the MC 450F inherits the updated hydroformed chromoly steel frame used across the Pure Mobility Group's MX lineup. But unlike the stiffer, racier feel of the KTM 450SXF, GASGAS tunes its geometry and engine mounting system for improved flex characteristics. Translation? It's more forgiving, less rigid, and more communicative when the track breaks down. Hardpack, loam, sand, ruts, this chassis talks back. It's confidence, not chaos. The aluminum subframe is also new for 2025, lighter, lower, and more integrated into the bike's overall balance. Every gram of weight savings adds to agility in transitions, especially noticeable in corner entries and mid-air whips. The die-cast swing arm has been reworked too, with new machining tolerances and rear axle slots for more precise chainist adjustment. All of it together, it makes the MC 450F feel planted without being heavy, light without being twitchy. Suspension, WP XACT air forks rear linkage. Up front, you're getting the WP XACT 48mm AAER air fork, paired with a linkage-equipped WP XACT rear shock. But this year, the magic is in the mid-valve damping, improved for 2025 to reduce front-end dive and increase feedback on big landings. Whether you're railing berms or hitting scrub jumps, the suspension remains composed, not confused. Toolless adjusters on both ends mean you can dial in your sag, compression, and rebound in the pits, no spanners, no delay. And that's what sets this bike apart for real-world riders. You can actually use all the adjustability it offers, whether you're chasing lap times or just chasing daylight. Electronics, ride modes, traction, and the secret upgrade. Let's talk brains. The MC 450F includes dual map switchability, launch control, traction control, and the now standard quick shifter, all available at your fingertips. Want a smooth map for sketchy corners? Or a full aggression profile for a start? You've got options. But here's the kicker, and here's what most people won't realize until they ride it. The quick shifter on this bike, tuned specifically for MX throttle ranges, allows upshifts under load without clutch input, even during a wheelie or mid-air throttle blip. That's not just a gimmick. That's milliseconds saved and rhythm sections cleaned up. It's technology trickling straight from factory race teams, right into your garage. The Feel Ergonomics, bodywork control. Throw a leg over it and it's instantly familiar. But this year, it's even tighter. The slimmed-down radiator shrouds, redesigned seat, and lower-profile fuel tank make rider movement across the bike easier than ever. From deep corners to panic revs over triples, the cockpit lets you move, lean, and reset without snagging. Foot peg positioning is race-optimized, and the ODI lock-on grips give excellent feedback with a Pro taper bar for flex and comfort at speed. Even the brakes got a touch-up. New Galfer rotors and Bractec calipers deliver strong, progressive feel without being grabby. This bike doesn't just ride fast, it feels fast. The sound that red rumble. And yes, the sound. You can't talk about GASGAS without talking about the bark. That signature high rev tone a bit deeper than the KTM, a bit raspier than the Husky. It's aggressive, unmistakable, and weirdly motivating. You don't just ride this bike, you perform with it. And that sound becomes part of the rhythm. The price where it stands. Now here's the reality check. For everything you get the power, the tech, the frame, the fork, the racing potential, the GASGAS MC 450F is still the most affordable of the Austrian 450 triplets. Roughly $10,399 USD MSRP, that's about $800. Less than a KTM 450 SXFF, and close to $1,200. Less than the Husqvarna FC450. That means more budget for gear, suspension tuning, or even a second set of wheels. It's not just a bike, it's a platform. Who is it for? The 2025 GASGAS MC 450F is for the rider who wants elite-level performance without the factory suit. It's for the competitor who wants something familiar yet fresher. It's for the dreamer who loves the smell of race gas, the feel of loose dirt, and the sound of a bike that doesn't just go fast. It wants to go fast. In short, this is a factory-class machine, in red plastic, with attitude to spare. This has been your full throttle breakdown of the 2025 GASGAS MC 450F, where performance meets personality and the middle step of the podium is just a warm-up. For more stories that grip the throttle, push the rev limiter, and live at the red line, subscribe to Acer Rider. Because we don't just ride the machines, we tell the stories behind them. This is Acer Rider signing off.